In today's video, we are going to be placing furnitures in an apartment plan in ArchiCAD from scratch. So if you are a beginner, this is exactly what you need. We are going to start by placing furnitures in the living rooms, down to the toilet, and finally cabinets in the kitchen. And without waste of time, let's dive in. Go to objects, search for sofas, and the kind of sofas I want to use for this project will be this type of sofa. So I'm going to place the sofa this way, and I'll create a mirror a copy. I'm going to place my TV set this way, so click on objects, type in TV. I'm going to use this type, and then I'm going to select the wall mount, click on OK, and I'm going to place it somewhere here. Then I'm equally going to put a central table this way, so I'm going to click on objects. We're going to type in a table. I want to use this type, so just place it at the center. Then on the bedroom, I'm going to click on objects, and I'm going to type in bed. And I prefer this type of bed, so I'm going to choose it and place it this way. We can just rotate the copy by using this rotate command this way, and we're going to have something like this, a wardrobe this way. So click on objects, type in wardrobe, and I like this model, so we're just going to place it here, and then we can extend it a little bit this way. I like my wardrobe to be at least 180. I'm going to select the bed and the wardrobe, and right click on move down to mirror a copy, and I'm just going to mirror a copy and give this other room, but I'm going to shift my bed to this side. Then my wardrobe, I prefer it to be this way, so rotate a copy. I'm just going to place a toilet here, so to do that I'm going to click on objects, and I'll type in WC. I'm going to use this type of WC, and we'll probably put a wash and basin here, so click on objects, type in basin, and I would like to use this type, place it at the A angle. Then we're equally going to add a shower for bathing, so click on objects, type in shower. I would like to use this model, click on OK, and we're going to place it somewhere here. So here is our kitchen. We are going to start by adding other things such as the sink, so you're going to click on objects. I'll prefer you choose cabinets, so type in cabinets. Then we are going to choose the base cabinet, but on base cabinet we are going to move from carcass to counter. Then you are going to move to equal heights. On the counter we'll need a sink for this counter, so we want a counter with a sink. Once done, we're going to click OK, and we're going to place the counter, so the counter will be at the end of this window. We're going to extend it to be longer, such that our sink will be along this length. So here will be our sink, and this is our counter. We would like to extend our counter this way too. On objects, we are going to type in cooker, and I would like to use the gas range cooker. Click OK, and we're going to place it this way, midway between the door and this cabinet.